Welcome everyone, Lego Monday. Today we got the brick heads of Wally and Eve. Or Eva, as I always remember him saying. Only 155 pieces, so this should be a relatively simple one, I think. No, I don't think there's any other real exciting stuff going on here. So let's pop them open. I'm going to probably do both of them at once this time, just because it's, I say, just 155 pieces. That should be easy enough, and you hate to for Wally to not have his friend. Right. Okay. Eve. One brick for two bags for Wally and one bag for Eve. Looks like two fairly light books. Like I said, I'm not expecting these to take long. I think they ought to be fun. Like I say, I'll do Wally first. I'll knoll him out and be right back, and then I'll go right into Eve. I won't stop in between and talk. But if you're new here, what I do is I knoll them out, make it all relatively neat, all the pieces, and then I use high speed to build it. So play hopefully some soothing or fun music while it does that. But I'll talk to you again at the end. All right, there we go. As expected, pretty simple little build. While his head does tilt around a little bit, if you want to look down. Actually, okay, so he's got a neck and a head. Okay, cool. So you can do that. Yeah, and Eve, you know, I don't know about y'all. I was surprised to find out how colorful she was on the inside. So, you know, like most of these brickheads, you know, it's a fun little build. I like it. I went and seen this movie whenever it came out in the theaters, and I didn't have kids of my own, so I borrowed my cousin's, or I was gonna borrow my cousin's kids, and we met up at the theaters, one of those outdoor mall streets of whatever, and I just happened to pull in behind them, and my youngest cousin, she's probably 3, maybe 4 at the time. Well, she wasn't the youngest, she's the youngest sister, and I just happened to pull in behind them and see them, so I followed them to their parking spot and parked next to her. With both our windows up, air conditioners blasting and everything, I could still hear her scream, look over at me, and just scream, "It's Daniel!" I had no idea how her mama and sister and brother's ears weren't bleeding when they got out, because, I mean, she let loose when she saw me. But we had fun watching Molly that day. All right. But anyway, that's all got to say about that. And Wally has a special place in my heart because of that. And thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep on going for a while yet. I got some Star Wars going this week. It's going to be mostly focused on Empire Strikes Back, if anybody's watched this far. Thanks for watching, everybody.